How to change Snapchat background. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Once you're here, go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information on Snapchat. You need to tap on the Bitmoji avatar section right here. And as you can see, a plain background is set. To change the background, we need to tap on the icon Scene. We will find many suggestions over here. So, you need to select any of them that matches with the personality. After selecting the background, you need to save the changes by tapping on Save in the top right corner of your screen. There you go. Your background is now changed. You can change it anytime as per your mood. So, by following these steps, you can easily change Snapchat background.